This is the Kawaii Slime Company Toadstool Tails. Let's make it. Look at how glittery the slime is. Ooh, that's a nice texture. Oh, and it smells good. Oh, it's like a melon. Smells like honeydew or cantaloupe. Oh, look at that glitter. Wow. Now that is pretty slime. Such a nice texture. Very nice stretch. Oh, look at that. Let's see what it came with. All right, so we have some charms, flour, a little ducky, a little cute mushroom. Is that like, looks like a little fruit, and a bunch of little confetti. Put some of our little mix-ins on top. A little on the side. These are so cute. Is it like a bunny? Can you see that? Look at that. And there's like little like garden bunnies, like a little bunny foo-foo hopping through the garden. When my kid was very young, she loved that song. It was the only thing that would calm her down. How cute is this? I love this fairy green. And then we have our little fruits. And we have a flower. We have our, ooh, it's upside down, our ducky, and our toadstool. And then we have our toadstool tails. That looks so great for springtime. Oh my goodness. And the smell is fantastic. And then we can just mix it all together. How nice is that? I'm tagging this down below. This is by Kawaii Slime Company. Absolutely love their slime. Go grab this while you can. This is perfect for Easter baskets, perfect for spring, perfect if you love slime. I'll tag it down below.